celebrated my birthday 2 days ago. Past days, nahirapan talaga siya. That's what, please. No matter what day it is, it might be a good day or a bad day. No. You need to talk clearly. Talk clearly. Anong ang niya? Si mommy na lang na talk. I love you too. Okay. Hi again. A lot happens this morning. But I know this is still a good day. Yeah, I celebrate. Oh, the baby is pooping and it's big or yayay. I don't know. Past days, nahirapan talaga siya. That's why.
Mommy?
It's okay. Can do that lang. Yes. There. Ay, hindi na ako makapagsalita. Can I speak na, please?
No.
There. I celebrated my birthday 2 days ago. And it's so funny kasi yun nga. It's a very, very, very good day kasama ni Daddy. I did not expect. I received a lot of surprises from my family and my friends, and I'm very, very thankful, seryoso. I planned to vlog sana that day, pero diba nasira ni Kaika yung ano ko, yung gimbal ko, so I'm not able to. Saka dumating ito, yung I'm using a new one kahapon, so ngayon na lang ako naka-vlog again, and I'm so happy. Pero yun nga, yung kinikwento ko. 2 days ago, pero grabe, sabi ko nga kwento kay Daddy last night. Every night kasi, parang nagka-quiet time kaming dalawa. That's the time na parang together, we read the Bible, tapos nag-share kami ng readings namin. Tapos after that, prayer time na namin yun. So parang nag-share ako sa kanya because yesterday, bye-bye. Grabe, talaga sa ako. Bye-bye. Sige na. Mommy will chat na, please. Bye-bye. What? Last night, I shared to him. Kasi parang yesterday, let's just say na it's not a good day. Kaya parang big deal siya sa akin. Kasi yun yung sobrang daming mali kahapon. As in, second day na wala kaming water, sobrang dami kong mali sa work, I cannot understand, even, basta, ang dami, and then we share kay Daddy. Last night, parang umiyak talaga ako sa kanya because I feel overwhelmed, na bakit parang ganon. Pero sabi niya, it's just one of those days, one of those bad days, sabi niya. So it's okay, maybe God is reminding us, me, na no matter what day it is, it might be a good day or a bad day, God still loves me. And yun nga, sabi niya, I cannot do anything to, to destroy or kunin what I have inside of me, that is God. So, I feel much, much better. And today, when I woke up very early. Tapos parang hindi ako nakatulog ng mabuti kasi yun nga. Late na kami nakatulog kagabi because of all the happenings. Ako, especially ako, late na ako nakatulog. Si Daddy, he tried to sleep early kasi yun nga, magpipreach siya today, Sunday. And ako naman, late na ako natulog. Tapos, maliban doon, si Kaika, yun nga sabi namin na parang may something wrong sa tummy niya. Sa pag-poop niya, nahihirapan siya. So, parang hindi diretso yung tulog niya. Then, maliban doon, so wala akong tulog mabuti. Maaga pa akong nagising. With circumstances, parang 5 a.m. gising na ako. So, parang tulog ko 3 hours lang for today. So, it's okay. Binantayan namin yung water. Wala pa ring water. It's the third day. Basiwa, please. It's Bacolod prime water. Yun yung water namin dito. Maybe sa init, I don't know. Maybe something wrong sa pressure daw. May mga problema daw talaga. So, it's okay. So, yung kanina, nagbili kami ng water for use. Minsan humihingi kami sa in-laws ko. Pero, it's very, very difficult. So, that's another one. Tapos, maliban doon, really praying for daddy. Kasi, we don't know bakit. Parang, kung kailan malapit na siya magpipreach this Sunday, doon din na parang nawalan siya ng boses. So, ayaw naming ma-strain, ayaw naming totally ganun. Really praying for him. Nag-aano na siya, nagpipreach siya ngayon sa first service. Sa second service for 10 a.m., sasamahan ko siya. Kaya, I'll be getting ready lahat. Dan ko sanang plan for today. Pero let's see. And yun nga, bumili kami na ng water kanina. And ito, yung mga kids. Si Achi sleeping pa kasi last... She's awake na and she's very excited kasi siya talagang nagsabi sa akin, Mommy, we will vlog na kasi nakita niya. You want to say hi to them? You want to talk to them?
Oh,
Yeah, I opened na the toy of Fei
I
Fei.
already have it.
Achi, oh, it's talking.
No, I know it now. I remember.
Yeah, you listen. No, it's the sound of a dinosaur.
That's a kid.
We'll fix your hairs muna kasi sobrang gulo pa ng mga hairs nila bagong gising. Yun nga, late na kasi siya natulog kagabi because she waited for us. So, yung isa naman, pagod na pagod ata, maaga naman natulog. So, maaga ding nagising, kaya kasama siya namin kanina. We're having our breakfast. Then, ang dami kong plan for today, pero hindi ko isi-stress yung katawan ko. Sabi ko, I will cook for the family. Dapat magkukook ako ng early kasi nga aalis ako, diba, for the church. Pero, yun, bibilang ko na lang sila.
Just play with baby and take turns together.
Okay. No fighting, ha? Okay? Then, tapos, kahit yung coffee ko, I'll buy a good coffee. Maingay na sila.